Inatila. And finally, let's all welcome with a round of applause. Let's welcome our bride, Levi Mill, together with her parents, Domingo and Hermana Mill. All please rise as we welcome also Honorable Eleuteria Badoris Algudon, our presiding judge will officiate the...
Murag ipanggutom na siguro mga bisita. Ha? Nag-worry lang ni sa MC kay basig kuyapan kay gutom na. Dito. Okay, good afternoon. Kindly sit down first. Lingkod sa kay Murag. Having a ceremony now whereby according to our culture and according to our law, it's only death that will separate you from your wife. It's not Australia or other country but the Philippines. We do not allow divorce in our country. We only allow relative divorce that is legal separation. You will be separated from your wife or the wife from the husband only from both board and bed. Meaning you are separated from the house and from your bed. You will not be in your place. Whereby once you marry, after 6 months, you can apply or you can petition before a court to separate from your wife. We do not allow that in our country. We have also that so-called annulment, which is very common among actors and actresses. But the Filipinos, most of the Filipino married persons cannot afford to hire a lawyer for that purpose. We will be paying so much money and we will be wasting time and effort if we cannot pay our lawyers just to have an annulment of marriage. And it's very difficult for the court to allow such kind of order, annulment decree in court. So I would like to remind you, Jan and Livy, that what is important in marriage is love. Because it's only through love that you will be able to know God also. Then you will be able to respect, to understand, and to be patient with your partner. So without love, according to the song, the lyric of the song, there is nothing without love. So you cannot do anything without love. Even to have a work in the office, you must love your work also, so that you're so much from the bottom of your heart, not from your mind only. Because once it's only from the mind, you might easily forget your wife, or Libby will be easily forgetting you later on. So what is important in marriage is love. Another thing also, John and Libby, is that you must have to bear your own children. Not 1 dozen or 2 dozens, but 1 or 2 would be enough. So that there would be a knot between you and Libby. A customs here in the Philippines. Once we have children, we cannot easily say to our husband or to our wife, we will separate because of the children. We are after of the future of the children, not for our own future, but for the future of our children later on. Because Filipinos do really prepare for the future. Not for their own selves, but for the children of this couple. Whether they are your immediate parents or your in-laws for that matter. And the only thing, John, in our culture is that once we marry, we do not marry only one person. In yourself, you do not marry only Levi, but you marry the whole family of Levi. From the great-grandparents up to the new generation you will have in the future. And then Levi also would not be marrying you alone, but your family also. That is the problem with us. There is that so-called close family ties among Filipinos. Ang pamilya extended. The family is extended from your family to the great-grandparents up to the new generation. So I hope you understand that, John, Levi also. What is important in marriage to be successful is only love. Love because you have to respect, you have to understand, and you have to be patient with your partner. Because marriage is not only a one day or a 1 year adjustment, but every second of your life. You have to adjust with the behavior or attitude of your husband or your wife. So I hope you understand that, John. So we will start now the ceremony because you might be very hungry now. Yes, please stand. The sponsors. We start. Lizzie and John.
Maid of honor and the best man, can we hold the microphone?
Best man na lang, favorite task. Okay, John Leffler, did you come here to marry Levi Miel?
Yes.
Did anybody force you or intimidate you to marry Levi?
No.
Do you love Levi so much?
Yes, I do.
Will you take Levi Miel as your legal wife?
Yes.
Levi Miel, did you come here to marry John Leffler?
Yes.
Did anybody force you or intimidate you to marry John? Do you love John so much?
Yes.
Will you take John Leffler as your legal wife, legal husband? Okay. John, you take the ring of your
Levi,
take this ring
take this ring
as a sign of my love or loyalty.
as a sign of my love and loyalty,
As I promise
as I promise
to love you,
to love you,
have you, and hold you
to love you and hold you,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for richer and for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Okay. Baby. Ano ba? John,
John,
take this ring
take this ring
as a sign of my love and
as a sign
loyalty.
of my love and loyalty.
As I promise
As I promise
to love you,
to love you,
have you, and hold you,
have you, and hold you,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
for richer and for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Then what is the array?
Saon.
Tanan. Oh, you take it all. Okay, you give it to Living.
Levi,
Take this array
take this array
as a sign of prosperity
as a sign of prosperity
and more blessings to the family.